How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of a bruise step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So a bruise is damaged skin. So what happens is when you damage your skin, the reason why it changes color, normally a bruise can be black, purple, sometimes greenish, is the reason it changes color is that skin, wherever you damaged it, is not getting enough blood flow to the area. So what happens is every single day, if you leave a bruise alone within about a week, it goes away by itself. Every single day, more and more blood flow will get inside the bruise until eventually it fades away. We can speed up the process. We can get rid of a bruise in literally 5 minutes. So let's say you have a bruise right here. Go inside your kitchen, get a spoon. You're gonna use the end of the spoon or the scooping part. You're gonna rub the bruise, pretend this is a spoon. You're gonna rub the bruise back and forth for 5 minutes straight. After 5 minutes, that bruise should be completely gone. If it's not, rub for another 5 minutes. But normally, 90% of the people, the first 5 minutes, it should be gone. The reason why this works is because the rubbing creates blood flow. And that is what we're trying to do. We're trying to get all the blood flow back into the area that was bruised. So this works. I've done this on numerous bruises. I've had bruises on my arms. I've had some here. I've had some here. It works every single time, you guys. It does. It does. What will happen is the surrounding area, let's say the bruise is here, the surrounding area will get a little bit red. That's from all the rubbing. That's normal. That should happen. The pressure is just moderate, just a moderate amount of pressure. You don't have to press really, really hard. Don't press super light either. Just a moderate amount of pressure. You do this, it'll be gone, guaranteed. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.